Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Do you ever find yourself scrolling through Pottery Barn, just dreaming of that gorgeous, high-end look, but then your wallet gently whispers, maybe next year? Well, what if I told you that you could get that same elegant, rustic vibe for a fraction of the price? Today, I'm going to show you 3 super easy DIY projects that will have your friends asking, is that from Pottery Barn? Seriously, you won't believe how simple and affordable these are. First up, let's tackle the found pottery look. You know those beautiful, textured vases that look like ancient artifacts? Grab any old glass vase or jar from a thrift store or even your recycling bin. All you need is some joint compound or spackle. Just slather it on with your hands or a putty knife to create that beautiful, uneven texture. Let it dry completely, then paint it with a matte, earthy tone chalk paint. Think beige, taupe, or a soft gray. You can even mix a little baking soda into your paint for an extra gritty, stone-like finish. And just like that, you have a stunning designer-inspired vase that costs less than your morning coffee. Next, we're creating some gorgeous rustic wood bead decor. You can find bags of plain wooden beads at any craft store for just a few dollars. The secret to getting that aged Pottery Barn look is in the stain. You can use a traditional wood stain, or for a more custom, weathered effect, try the tea and steel wool method. Just soak some steel wool in white vinegar for a day, brew some strong black tea, paint the tea onto your beads, and then follow up with the vinegar mixture. It creates this beautiful, naturally aged gray finish. String them together with some jute twine, maybe add a tassel at the end, and you have a beautiful garland to drape over books, a mantelpiece, or a decorative bowl. It's an instant touch of warmth and texture. Finally, let's talk about transforming basic picture frames into something special. Take any simple, cheap frame. We're going to give it a sophisticated distressed finish. Start by painting it with a dark base coat, like a dark brown or charcoal gray. Once that's dry, rub a candle over the edges and a few random spots where natural wear would occur. Then paint over the entire frame with a lighter top coat, like a creamy white or light beige. After it dries, use a fine grit sandpaper to gently sand the areas where you applied the wax. The top coat will come right off, revealing the dark color underneath and creating that perfect time-worn look. Pop in a simple sketch or a family photo, and it looks like a treasure you've had for years. So there you have it, 3 simple, budget-friendly ways to bring that Pottery Barn elegance into your home. It just goes to show you don't need a huge budget to create a space you absolutely love. Which one of these projects are you excited to try first? Let me know in the comments below. If you enjoyed these tips, please give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more DIY home decor inspiration. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.